Do you ever crave something sweet after dinner, but worry about spiking your blood sugar? You're not alone. Millions of people with diabetes navigate the dessert dilemma daily. Well, fret no more. Today we're whipping up a week's worth of satisfying low-sugar treats that your taste buds and body will love. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for dessert inspo every week. Now before we dive in, remember, consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. But with their guidance, these recipes can be a delicious part of your healthy lifestyle. All right, let's get prepping. We'll focus on simple, no-bake options, using naturally sweet ingredients and healthy alternatives. First up, layered fruit parfaits. Grab some Greek yogurt, berries, and a sprinkling of chopped nuts for crunch. Layer them in cute jars for grab-and-go goodness. We're using plain yogurt, but if you need a touch more sweetness, try a drizzle of sugar-free syrup or a dollop of unsweetened applesauce. Next, a fun one. Frozen yogurt bark. Spread plain Greek yogurt on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Top with berries, sliced banana, or even dark chocolate chips. Freeze for a few hours and break into pieces for a cool, refreshing treat. Craving something chocolatey? Try chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk, cocoa powder, and a touch of vanilla extract. Let it sit overnight for a pudding-like consistency. Top with berries or a dollop of whipped cream. We can't forget a warm treat. Bake a fruit crisp with apples, pears, or mixed berries. Use a gluten-free oat crumble topping with chopped nuts and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Bonus points for using a natural sweetener like stevia. And there you have it. 5 delicious low-sugar desserts prepped for the week. Remember, portion control is key, so enjoy these treats mindfully. Don't forget to check out the recipe links in the description below for detailed instructions and ingredient quantities. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment telling me your favorite low-sugar dessert hack. Until next week, stay healthy and happy.